How to find an electric field intensity at an axial point of dipole. So to find electric field intensity at an axial point of dipole, first we have to understand the term dipole. So dipole is nothing but a pair of two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. So to derive the electric field intensity at an axial point, we have to consider a dipole. Here are the two charges, that is plus q and minus q, and it is separated by a small distance of 2a, and the distance of each charge from the center is a. Here we will take an axial point, that is point B, which is along the axis of dipole and whose distance from the center of dipole is r. So electric field, we have to find electric field intensity. Electric field intensity at point P due to plus q charge, that is EA, will be away from this point because it is positive charge. So electric field intensity from the positive charge will be away from this point, and electric field intensity due to B point, that is minus q charge, will towards the dipole moment because it is negative charge. So the magnitude of EA and EB will be, the magnitude of EA will be kq upon the distance between that point and charge. The distance between the point and charge is r plus a. Here is r and here is a. So the electric field intensity will be kq upon r plus a whole square. Whole square because the formula of electric field intensity is kq upon x square, and x square is the distance between them. So EA will be kq upon r plus a whole square. Similarly, the magnitude of EB, that is kq upon the distance between the point B and point P. Distance between point P and point P will be, here is r and it is a. So then this distance will be r minus a. It is r and it is a. This distance will be r minus a. So the magnitude of EB will be kq upon r minus a whole square. As EA and EB are opposite to each other, but EB will be greater than EA because the negative charge is closer to the point as compared to positive charge. So EB will be greater than EA. So net electric field at point P will be EB minus EA. Here EB we have kq upon r minus a whole square minus EA we have kq upon r plus a whole square from equation first and second, which are mentioned above. So E net will be kq upon, here we will take LCM, r minus a whole square into r plus a whole square. By taking out kq common, there remains 1 and 1. So by dissolving LCM, we will get r plus a whole square minus r minus a whole square. So the net electric field will be kq. By opening the formula of a plus b whole square, we will get r square plus a square plus 2ar minus, by opening the formula of a minus b whole square, we will get r square minus a square plus 2ar. And here it is a minus b and it's a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square and its whole square. So E net will be kq into 2ar plus 2ar, that is 4ar, upon r square minus a square whole square. Now 4ar can be written as kq into 2 into 2ar. And now there is a new term introduced, that is dipole moment. Dipole moment is nothing but product of either of the charge and the distance between the charges. So dipole moment is nothing but product of either of charge, इनमें से किसी भी charge का product, that is q, into the distance between the charges, that is 2a. So we have the value of dipole, that is P is equal to 2qa. Dipole is represented by P. So here is 2qa. So we get P and 2kr and r square minus a square whole square. If a is very less than r, then a square will be negligible. So we will get at last electric field intensity is 2 kpr upon r to the power 4. R and 1 power of r to the power 4 will get cancelled and we will get 2 kpr upon r cube. Here, so we will find that electric field intensity is proportional to 1 upon r cube. Hope it will help you.